For centuries, the idea of rebuilding the Jewish temples in Jerusalem has been the powerful symbol of religious and cultural significance for Jews around the world. And now, it seems the momentum for realizing this ancient dream is gaining traction once again. A growing number of Jewish religious groups and organizations are rallying behind the idea, proclaiming their readiness to construct the temples on the Temple Mount. Advocates argue that the time is ripe for this historic undertaking. The children of Israel are ready, and technological advancement and architectural expertise have opened up new possibilities for the construction of such monumental structure. The most importantly, it is whispered that the final missing piece of an intricate puzzle has fallen into place, as a red heifer, meticulously raised and now coming of age, stands as a beacon of readiness for the construction of the long-awaited Third Temple. With this extraordinary development, the heart of believers soars with a renewed sense of destiny and an unwavering belief that the time for the temple's rebirth has arrived. All requirements have been fulfilled except now the location. The third temple must be built on Al-Aqsa Mosque compound. For use, the site holds immense historical and religious significance as the one standing location of the first and second temple. Some proponents of the demolishing the mosque argue that reclaiming the site for Jewish worship is an imperative step towards realization of their religious aspirations. However, it is not easy for Jews, as you may know that Al-Aqsa Mosque is the third holiest place in Islam after Mecca and Medina. But most Jews believe that sooner or later, Jews will find ways to demolish Al-Aqsa Mosque because of the fact that the third temple must be built exactly on the Temple Mount. What do you think? Leave in the comments.